Hello, tutor. My name is Alexander Rivas Obando. One greeting to I present my strategy. Visit and smart penetration for the supermarket and Diamond. The, the mission, attraction and diverse strat analysis the sociographic profile and Carlsberg and Villa Leyva to add the promotion and schedule according on the budget age group. Advertising organic and sustainable products and point on-site ads social media. Um, Offer exclusive incentives and low traffic. They offer products that require is software. Use what for SMX messages to are comment on their benefits and their threat. Install and simply physical point proof. Both were promised that were discovered and free products. Answer at first number puzzle. Offers exclusive incentives and low traffic. This of four products that created and store. Use WhatsApp on SME PNSIs and merit consume and direct benefit. Compare price weekly with complete supermarket and citing adjust for loss leader products and third copies. E and optimize margin and improvements. Just finish our video.